Okay, let's talk about how we can set up OpenClaw on a VPS in Hostinger. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can do this. One of them is with a one-click install, and another option is to do it manually. Obviously, the one-click install is a little bit easier. Keep in mind that the one-click install does end up putting the OpenClaw instance inside a Docker container. If you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. But if you do know what that means, you know that that will have some consequences, or let's just say some pros and cons. And you can also set this up from inside the UI, or you can set it up as part of the sign-up process for a new Hostinger account. So I'm already inside the UI, so if you just go ahead and create an account and then decide that you want to set up the VPS, this is what you're going to do. So if we just start from the home screen, then what you'll do is go to VPS, and this is my VPS, so I'll just click Manage. Now, the one-click install for OpenClaw is through Docker. So if we click on Docker Manager, if I click on Projects, you can see that right now I have no project. Now, if I go down to the catalog, you can see here there's a long list of apps where Hostinger have created a one-click install for all of these apps. So let's just go ahead and write claw, and then we'll click Deploy. Now, we've got the option here to set up these API keys. Firstly, this gateway token is important, but you don't need to copy it now. I'll show you how you can always come back to that later. One thing you should be doing at this point in time is adding at least one API key for one model so that you can get started instantly as soon as OpenClaw is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and paste a Gemini key in right now. And then the next thing we're going to do is click Deploy. Now, this process can take a minute or two, so I'll come back to you when it's done. Okay, so we have a message telling us that the deployment has been completed. So let's go ahead and click this Open button, and you can see that this is the installation that is ready to go. So now we do need to enter this gateway token. So where do you find that? Go back and click Gateway Token right there, and go and enter it and log in. And that's it. This is your first instance of OpenClaw. So let's just make sure it works. I'll just say hi. So the first thing that it always says when you get started is, I just came online. Who are you? Who am I? Or some variation of that. Sometimes it literally just says, I just came online. Who am I? Who are you? So this is not always going to be the same every time. None of it really actually makes any difference. You can always update any of this anytime. Okay, that's it for this short video. I'll see you in the next one.